The new way of learning robotics just dropped. Starting with a little bit of curiosity, this guide will take you through all the different sides of robotics and physical AI. From mechanical engineering, 3D printing, electronics, and even programming, we finally get to see how it all fits together. There's going to be project milestones along the way with everything that you've learned, along with videos from yours truly, helping you put the best projects together with all the new skills you've gathered. You can explore the docs, find projects that you can build, and see how it all fits. From the bigger picture to zooming in on the details, we can finally see what's the next step and how to structure your learning journey. We have machine learning essentials, the NVIDIA ecosystem, and even basics on AI and LLM technologies. Pretty much every piece of content I've ever put together, bringing all my expertise into this one platform. Building out to more complex projects like the Stuck build that put together a lot of different branches of this system. Your learning journey just got a lot easier and a lot clearer. Welcome back to engineering.